lutein and zeaxanthin for dementia prevention. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids that can be found in a number of different vegetables. They are highly concentrated in our eyes and have been shown to be protective for our eyes. It turns out that they are just as important for brain health. Lutein and zeaxanthin account for 66 to 77% of the total carotenoid concentration found in human brain tissue and have been identified in the hippocampus, cerebellum, and frontal cortices. With their powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, these carotenoids have interesting neuroprotective effects. Studies examining the relationship between the dietary intake of carotenoids, including lutein and zeaxanthin, have demonstrated a generally positive relationship between these carotenoids and cognitive health. Oxidative stress has been demonstrated to be involved in the pathogenesis of the two major types of dementia, Alzheimer's disease and vascular dementia. This article, published in 2022, shows that a higher dietary intake of lutein and or zeaxanthin was associated with a lower risk of experiencing moderate to poor cognitive function. Higher plasma concentrations of lutein and zeaxanthin were associated with better cognitive function in older adults, better visual spatial functioning, and relational memory performance in both young and middle-aged adults. The article goes on to show that the effects of lutein and zeaxanthin on visual memory and performance may have important implications for the prevention of cognitive decline, as a relationship between visual memory and cognitive decline has been identified. In a 2-year longitudinal study, better visual memory was associated with a lower risk of cognitive deterioration up to 2 years later. Animal studies have also indicated lutein and zeaxanthin may reduce neural degeneration by improving neurotrophic factors and synaptic proteins and oxidative capacity in the cerebral cortex. The content of lutein and zeaxanthin in vegetables varies greatly. The highest content is found in kale and spinach. In addition, lutein and zeaxanthin is found in corn, lettuce, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, parsley, zucchini, and peppers. Vegetables are a better source of these carotenoids than fruits. However, nectarines, blackberries, avocados, raspberries, gooseberries, kiwi fruits, and black currants also have the highest content amongst fruits. This review article, published in 2021, shows that lutein has a positive impact on brain health in older adults. In different types of scans, researchers found that lutein has beneficial effects on brain function and brain structure. In this 2021 article, published in the journal Molecules, lutein consumption could have a role in maintaining cognitive performance in memory and executive function. While cognitive decline is quite difficult to reverse, there is evidence that it can be prevented with a long-term inclusion of lutein and zeaxanthin in our diet. Blood levels of these carotenoids in older adults are closely associated with better cognitive memory and executive function. Higher blood levels of zeaxanthin specifically are associated with better processing speed. These carotenoids are able to immerse themselves in the fatty brain cell membranes, crossing between the cell's exterior and interior environments. This stabilizes cell structures and protects against oxidative stress from inside and outside the cell. Lutein and zeaxanthin work better together and can combat free radicals more effectively when combined. Lutein and zeaxanthin are fat soluble, and fat is needed both for their more efficient absorption in the small intestine and their transport via the bloodstream to various body tissues. In addition, the bioavailability of lutein and zeaxanthin is better by finely chopping the foods and cooking the foods. These findings extend previous work that shows a strong correlation between high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in the eye, improved cognitive function, and protection of brain white matter. Therefore, to help prevent the onset of dementia later in life, it makes sense to incorporate more of these carotenoids into our diet. I hope you found the information in this video to be useful. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.